Welcome back to another Bargain Savage video, and today I have for you these Philips extra bass earbuds. This is part of my series called Cheap Earbuds Extravaganza, and this will be number 3-5. The model number on these are SHE3010. Alright, now extra bass, it says soft body, comfort fit, and on the back of the box there is not much about the earbud itself except for the fact that it uses a 3.5mm jack and the cord is about 1.2 meters long. It says where they're made, a bunch of Chinese writing, that's about it. Looks like it's got a nice finger thing to rip into the box here. Didn't really work. Nice. More Chinese writing. There we go. Here's some more Chinese writing. Alright. Have a look at that if you want. Lots there. Oh yeah. Okay. These are it's hard plastic on the back, smooth. It's got the Philips logo or the Philips name. Focus. Oh boy, am I sucking at this today. There it is. All right. .5mm. It's a nice feeling cord. It's not hard. Feels a little soft. Pretty coily. Got them wrapped up tight. They are marked left and right on the face of them. So let's get them plugged in. I'll tell you what I think. Well, the first thing I think is they don't sit in your ears very nice. This is the worst pair that I've tried yet in my ears. Yeah. Well, I bet these sound really good because they don't fit very good at all. Let's see how they sound. Okay. First impressions. First impressions are these don't fit very good. You could not run with these or anything like that. So if you're thinking of jogging with a set of these, forget it. Not gonna happen. Not gonna stay in your ear unless you're gonna put duct tape on the side of your head. These things I do not think are staying in place. Secondly, they don't sound all that bad. Now, if you can actually get it into your ear right, they sound okay. And I mean, just okay. Not great. They're not terrible. They're a little bit muddy, but they do have quite a bit of bass for an earphone. I was actually kind of shocked at how much bass they actually had. The sound quality, though, is not there. These cost $3.99 at Feilds, and I'm not going to put these very high up on the list. I definitely would not use these on a regular basis or anything like that. Yeah, this is not a win. It's not going on the winner's shelf. It's not getting a good place for me. I mean, maybe if it fit your ear, they'd be all right for $4. But that's my opinion on them, is that they don't fit very good, so I don't think they're worth the $4. The sound quality of these is definitely better than any of the Dollar Tree earbuds, and it is definitely better than most of the Dollarama earbuds. It's just too bad they didn't fit better, because they're not terrible. If they fit better, they'd be a decent set for only $4. So, oh well. If you like this video, found it helpful, then please like and subscribe. And I'll put up a playlist of all the other earbuds extravaganza videos that I've done. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.